Ever wondered how machine learning algorithms make accurate predictions? It might seem like magic, but there's a method to the madness. Today, we're diving into one of the most powerful algorithms out there, XGBoost, or extreme gradient boosting. To understand XGBoost, first, we need to get a handle on a few other concepts: boosting and gradient boosting. Consider boosting as an assembly of experts, each with their unique insights, attempting to solve a complex problem. While each expert might not know everything, their combined knowledge can lead to a well-informed decision. Now think about a time when you made a mistake. You probably paid extra attention to not repeat it, right? That's the essence of gradient boosting. It's a learning process that focuses on areas where previous models made errors, improving them in the subsequent models. So where does XGBoost come into play? Well, XGBoost takes the concept of gradient boosting and supercharges it. It's deemed extreme for a reason. XGBoost enhances the boosting process by adding features that make it more efficient and accurate. One of these features is regularization, a technique that prevents the model from becoming overly complex and fitting the noise in the data, rather than the actual pattern. This is akin to a sculptor knowing when to stop chipping away at the stone to prevent ruining the masterpiece. At the heart of XGBoost are decision trees. Imagine a decision tree as a series of yes or no questions leading to a final decision. For instance, if you're trying to predict if someone will buy a product, the tree might ask, is the person's income above a certain threshold? Or did the person visit the website in the last week? XGBoost constructs many of these trees, each one learning and correcting the errors of the previous ones. XGBoost is an ensemble learning method. It's like a harmonious orchestra, where each instrument or decision tree contributes to the final symphony or prediction. This collaboration often results in a more accurate and robust model. In a nutshell, XGBoost is like a team of experts working together, learning from their mistakes, and providing a more accurate prediction. It's a smart, powerful algorithm that's making waves in the world of machine learning. So next time you marvel at an accurate prediction, remember, there's a good chance XGBoost is working its magic behind the scenes.